is Glowfox told you 99. Something's weird. I don't know, but I keep hearing stuff. Hearing like noises. So I'm gonna check it out. No. That's my room. Is anything out in the kitchen? There's my cat. That's weird. So guys, make sure to subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit that like. Thanks for watching.